Today we have an exciting battle between two recent all-season contenders, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3, launched in 2024, and the Vredestein Quatrac Pro Plus, released just a year earlier. This showdown is all about who dominates the ever-evolving all-season landscape. Buckle up as we dive into the details of wet, snow, ice, dry, and more. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 set as the reference point at 100%. Let's kick things off with wet performance. In wet braking, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 leads the way with a 2.33 meters shorter stopping distance compared to the Quatrac Pro Plus. For wet handling, it's a tight race, with the Quatrac Pro Plus managing to edge ahead by just 0.05 seconds in lap time, and in straight-line aquaplaning, the SF3 comes out on top again with a higher slipping speed, demonstrating excellent wet control. Moving on to snow performance, the Pirelli SF3 again proves its strength. It has a 1.34 meters shorter stopping distance in snow braking and a quicker acceleration in snow traction, taking 5.42 seconds compared to the Quatrac Pro plus 5.95 seconds. In snow handling, the SF3 completes the course nearly 3.85 seconds faster. This performance edge makes the SF3 a formidable choice in snowy conditions. On ice, the Pirelli SF3 continues its dominance with a shorter ice braking distance, outperforming the Quatrac Pro Plus by 0.89 meters. The ice traction difference is even more significant, with the SF3 accelerating almost a full second faster than the Quatrac Pro Plus. When it comes to dry conditions, the Pirelli SF3 holds its own, outperforming the Quatrac Pro Plus by 3.32 meters in dry braking and completing the dry handling lap 1.25 seconds faster. Subjectively, the SF3 also receives a perfect 10 out of 10 compared to the Quatrac Pro Plus rating of 8, showcasing its agility and responsiveness on dry roads. The Vredestein Quatrac Pro Plus is slightly quieter with a 0.8 decibels less compared to the Pirelli SF3, but the SF3 offers better comfort and significantly lower rolling resistance at a coefficient value of 8 versus 9.7, making it more efficient for better fuel economy. In summary, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 excels overwhelmingly in wet, snow, ice, and dry performances. On the other hand, the Vredestein Quatrac Pro Plus excels in exterior noise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.